When you're new to tarot, reading the cards can feel confusing. Reading for yourself can be even harder. You're trying to remember dozens of tarot cards' meanings. You notice symbols you don't fully understand yet. Your mind keeps asking, am I interpreting this or just guessing what I want to hear? That's normal. Tarot is a language, and at the beginning, it can feel like learning to read all over again. Today, you can find countless oracle decks on the market. Angels, animals, affirmations, moon cards, and more. But most modern divination decks still borrow their structure, symbolism, or reading style from traditional tarot. A classic tarot deck has 78 cards divided into two main groups, Major Arcana and Minor Arcana. The Major Arcana are 22 cards that represent big life themes, turning points, lessons, inner transformation, and the kind of events that reshape your path. The Minor Arcana are 56 cards focused on everyday reality, choices, relationships, work, challenges, emotions, and practical steps. The Minor Arcana is divided into 4 suits, each with its own world of meaning: wands, cups, swords, and pentacles. The Major Arcana are the 22 trumps of tarot, powerful archetypes that describe life initiations, turning points, and inner transformation. In many Western esoteric traditions, these 22 cards are linked to Kabbalah through the Tree of Life. Each card is mapped to one of the 22 Hebrew letters and the 22 paths that connect the Sephirot. Read this way, the Major Arcana becomes more than symbolism. It becomes a spiritual map, showing how consciousness evolves through challenge, choice, and awakening. The Minor Arcana are the daily life engine of tarot. While the Major Arcana speaks about big initiations and turning points, the Minor Arcana shows how life moves in practice: emotions, conversations, choices, work, conflicts, and small steps that silently shape your destiny. They are traditionally linked to the 4 cardinal elements, each one expressing a different field of experience. Wands equals fire, cups equals water, swords equals air, and pentacles equal earth. This elemental map helps you read faster. Before you even know the exact card, you already know the world it belongs to. Now you know the foundations: how to read tarot, how the deck is structured, what the Major and Minor Arcana mean, and how spreads turn meanings into real readings. From here, the fastest way to deepen your skill is simple: study with solid tarot books and keep practicing.